Hey everybody, how you guys doing again? It's Orlando Walters, Dr. Orlando Walters, OWDPT.com, OrlandoWalters.com, and I'm here with Sabina. I'm here on the tennis court. It's a beautiful place, beautiful, nice sunny day. It rained a little bit earlier. It was kind of cooling down. Anyway, so I like to come out here on the weekends to just kind of work on my agility, my endurance, as well as, you know, all the different little things, and well, hang out with some cool people, some cool friends. Sabina here, avid tennis player, very, very good. Unfortunately, she had a major injury, which included an Achilles, a rupture of the Achilles. And but anyway, just, you know, I don't want to talk all about it. I want Sabina to tell me a little bit about what's going on. All right, how are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah,
I'm feeling great.
Now, how did you injure the Achilles? Just tell me a little bit how that happened.
Well, the incident was on the tennis court, and I took a step, and it was a big enough step that you heard the boom. But I know that it happened because there was an imbalance in my life. My right side was taking on a lot of the work over my left, so when I put some pressure on my left, Achilles popped.
Okay. So in retrospect, basically what you're telling me is you knew that one side was stronger than the other, and if you could take it back in time, you would have worked on that other side that was a little bit weak.
Yeah, actually, you told me that.
Okay, well, you know.
You brought it to my attention
know?
that, hey, you know, one side's a little stronger than the other. And I'm like,
But you know what? I'm not going to say I told you so, because that wouldn't be right, okay? But the thing is, and that's what we do out here, really try to find out where the insufficiencies are, and then we work on them. And that's what it is in life. You know, you find out where your strengths are, find out where your weakness is, and then try to decrease that as much as possible. Anyway, she had the surgery.
yeah.
And she's recovering nicely because I see her backhand and her forehand looking spicy. Okay? So now, here's my question.
Yes.
What is it that you're doing now to prevent that from happening, as well as progressing?
Well, on a regular morning, my morning starts off with 30 to 40 minutes of specific exercises for my ankles, for my feet. So I have a board, I have a ring board, a balancing board. So that helps. I have a heel stretcher. So I do that on the regular, and then some, you know, various exercises, calf raises, and then squats and things so that I can avoid pressure on my knees as well. So that's what I do. But I have to be committed to doing that, no matter I'm out here or not.
Huge word she just said, commitment. She's got to be committed. And to be honest, for individuals who want to be healthy as well as progressive and just to enjoy quality of life, you have to be committed to being able to do so. So finding out the things you have to work on, best thing to do. Okay? So if you have any questions, always feel free. Contact me. You got my contact, you got my social, you got my website, you know? But I'm really happy to have Sabina out here to kind of tell us a little bit about her experience. And hopefully we all can learn a little bit about something so we can prevent those injuries and keep those surgeons starving a little bit.
Just a little.
All right? Just a little bit. All right. You guys have a good one. I hope to see you out here on the tennis court and slap a couple balls around.